Hi there, undergrads. Welcome to this video where I'll guide you through enrolling in the Ready for Research badge and signing up for your first mandatory workshop. Let's get started. From the Ready for Research webpage, click on How to Register. Click on the Register Now button, which will take you to the Elevate homepage. Click on Login and then select Students. Now enter your UCalgary email ID and password. Once you're on the Elevate homepage, click on Research and Teaching Opportunities on the left-hand side dashboard, and then select Ready for Research 2023. Once you're in the program, you'll see an Enroll option. Click on it. And now you're officially enrolled in the Ready for Research badge. But we're not done yet. You also need to register for your first mandatory workshop. Find the link that says Here and click on it. Now look all the way to the right and click on View. You see this red box here? Click on it to register for the first workshop. And that's it. You're all set to start your Ready for Research journey. If you have any questions, please reach out to us via the experiential learning@ucalgary.ca email. Thank you.